A company needs to recover a VM from Nutanix AHV very quickly. Company decides to use instant VM recovery from the last backup. What platforms can this backup be instantly restored to? Ooh, okay, so this may seem like a tricky one, especially because I have to pick 3 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correct, 6 answers to choose from. So the first thing is, notice here we have AWS, we have GCP, we have Azure. These 3 don't support instant recovery, right? These are restored to the cloud options, but there's no instant recovery. So if I deselect those, Hyper-V, AHV, and VMware vSphere would be the 3 options that we can go with. We can even try and go here, Veeam user guide, instant recovery, and say launch the instant recovery wizard. And let's see here. Can we see here? So we have Nutanix backup, instant recovery to vSphere, but that's not really what we want, right? So instant recovery to Microsoft Hyper-V, instant recovery to Nutanix AHV, but there's no instant recovery to EC2 or Azure or Google. It would be a full restore, but just not an instant recovery. So I'm going to go with Hyper-V, AHV, and VMware.